Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create one of your dynamic links, open up your dynamic page in a brand new tab. So maybe you have property listings and something like that, or maybe you have a very in-depth filter system and you don't want your users to have to go back to the filter page and re-input all your filters. So what you can do is just open up the dynamic page in a brand new tab. Now for this tutorial, you will have to have dev mode on, which is going to be right here. Just make sure that when you hover over this, and you can press the blue button that says turn on dev mode, and that will give you access to this coding panel. And this does require one line of code, and it's so simple that I'm just going to include it in the description of this video, so you won't even have to go to our website. It is super simple. So let me go ahead and show you what that one line of code is. Let's go ahead and grab this button. We're going to see the ID for this is just more button. So literally all we need is one line of code. So we're going to say $W. We're going to call this button, which is more button. Perfect. And what we want to do is say .target, and it's going to equal underscore blank. Just like that. It's just this one line of code. And if I go ahead and save and publish the website, and if I go ahead and pull up the website in a brand new tab, if I click on EditorX CMS and I press read more, you're going to see it's going to open up a brand new tab for EditorX CMS. And let's just test it for EditorX Velo. It's going to open up a brand new tab for EditorX Velo. And last but not least, Wix CMS in a brand new tab. And the cool thing about this is you can actually apply this to buttons, and you can even apply that to images here as well. But that basically wraps it up for this quick little tip. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix and EditorX content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.